Hey y'all, it's later on in the evening. As you could probably tell, I'm out and about. I took the pasta salad thing back. Customer service was closed though, so I ended up just buying another one, and I'll just take the other one back tomorrow to get my refund. But it was definitely a yes. Definitely a yes. It was good. August's been eating it all up. He actually helped me eat about half of it. And I think this would have been a great combo with the, oh, now you don't want, now you don't want now, okay. This would have been a great combo with the chicken wrap earlier. So, yeah, this is definitely something else that I recommend you try over at Wally's World. And yeah, so let me start the vlog. I'm acting like this is connected to something else, even though it kind of is because it's the same day. But welcome to the vlog, you guys. I'm Allison Alanna. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button on your way in. And if you are a returning subscriber, thanks for just always tuning in. So yeah, we are about to leave Walmart now. I have no idea what the rest of the night is going to be looking like. Very minimal, of course, because of my lovely breaks and the issues that I have going on with that. So, yeah, I just wanted to come on, start the vlog, say hello, give y'all the deets on that pasta salad. Make sure you get the garden one. My battery died. Make sure you get the garden one, and yeah, I think you will definitely like it. Could you imagine me driving one of these? These trucks are freaking huge, but I am very interested, and one day I'm gonna tell y'all how I got interested. I can't do it now, but one day I'm gonna tell y'all. Alright, so I just left from getting some gas from the Sheetz gas station, and I showed y'all the big truck that was out there. I happened to start talking to one of the guys that was loading the stuff in. He was a delivery assistant, but the other guy was the actual truck driver, and I was able to end up speaking to both of them, and they are local. So I've been doing a little research over the last couple of days, and it's 3 different ways that you can do this. So it's over the road, regional, and local. So over the road means you just driving weeks, days upon a time. You don't come home. It's almost like you live for work, you know. And regional, I think, is kind of like a mixture of both. You get like some type of home time, but it's very little. And then local, of course, is like daily home time. So I found out that Sheetz is local. They get daily home time, and he told me that starting out they get $36 an hour. So I was like very interested in that. But the thing is, I think they do 14-hour days, and the problem is always the hours, because as you know, I picked my 2 youngest ones up. They have to be picked up before 2:30, and then my oldest boy gets out not long after them, right? So after like 3:30, that's it. Like really after 2 o'clock I don't really have time for anything, because by 2 o'clock I need to be heading to start picking my kids up. So let's just say I dropped them off at 8 and I started work at 9. 14 hours is what, 11 o'clock at night? Who is gonna keep my kids? First of all, I'm not even that kind of mother that wants my kids to be kept and cared for by somebody else more than me. Like, having kids is hard, it's stressful, it's a job that is just too much for one person. But because it's my job, I want to do my job. That is my job, okay? worth more to me than going out to somebody else's job, hitting a clock and making money. My kids is worth more to me than that. You know what I'm saying? So just imagine missing so much out of their life just for money. The crucial years, their developmental years. I got 2 toddlers over money. You know what I'm saying? Like, when you think about it, it's really a stressful thing on a woman to have to sacrifice being there for the child they bared for money. It's just, money is not that valuable to me. Like I always say, it's a tool that helps you to help yourself and other people, but I just don't move like that for it. You know what I'm saying? I don't. And I'm sitting here thinking now, like, I was going to just keep this to myself, but I think it's worth sharing because we're on the topic of not moving for money. This individual decided to contact me tonight and offer me a place to stay, right? And I'm like, nah, I'm good. I got a little temporary spot because I'm getting the impression that this person wants me to be his girl. And when I asked him about the money for the breaks, he didn't have that. But you want me to move in with you and you can't even afford to take care of my breaks. So you want me to be your girlfriend. You talking about, can I ask you out? All this other stupid, dumb, irrelevant stuff. You trying to make me your girlfriend, but you can't afford to take care of me. You know, I got all these kids. It just doesn't make any sense. Like, what do you take me for? I think what it is they feel like I have a sense of desperation. And because my situation is not the best at this moment, it's like, oh, I'm gonna move and do whatever. Okay, I need a place to stay. They're gonna let me come there. And it's like, now I'm gonna press her out to be my girlfriend. Now I'm gonna press her out to sleep with me. Now I'm gonna press her out, and she's gonna do it because she feels like she needs to be here. And no, I can't stress that enough. No. So although this is a little bit different from having a job, it's just the same thing, the same concept for me. I don't want to miss out on my kids' lives working 14 hours a day for money. And I'm not going to sacrifice myself and my standard and what I believe in and how I'm choosing to live my life right now for a place or for a man to throw me a couple of dollars every now and then. Like, it's just so disgusting on every level. And I am very well interested in driving though, in driving those trucks. I am. And like I said, I'm gonna tell y'all one day what got me interested in doing that, but I just can't right now. But it's a little story. However, it's like I said, I found the one place that would take me right away, but I would have to go to another state for the school. It's only, I think, about 3 to 6 weeks. I think the whole process is about 6 weeks. But where would my kids be? I thought they had a training center here, but they don't. The closest one is about 2 states away. Where will my kids be during a time like this? And they literally, I mean, as soon as you come, you're hired from day one. They pay you every week to be there. They'll pay for your hotel, all your meals, everything for you to be able to get your CDL. It's a great deal. I think it's a great deal, but it is more so for like a single person. It is not for somebody who already has a family. And if you do already have a family, it is not for somebody who has absolutely no extra help, none. So this is the part that just makes me say screw everything. You know what I'm saying? This is why I do DoorDash. As much as people like to discredit DoorDash and say, oh, get a job, DoorDash is definitely a job. It is definitely a job that allows you to bring your children with you and work on your own time around your family schedule. However, it has definitely slowed down significantly, and especially in this area, it is not really conducive for me at this point. So it's like, you know, your back is just against the wall, and it's always something feeling like you're being hindered. And when you can't go around your kids' schedules, and it's just crazy. I saw something on Facebook the other day that said trying to find a job that goes around your kids' schedule is like the hardest thing in America, and I second that 100%. It is the most ridiculous and hardest and complicated thing that you can ever try to do as a single parent. This is just madness. This is just madness. It's just madness. I'm for the first time in a long time, I'm just puzzled. Like, what? What is this? What type of garbage is this? You know what I'm saying? It's just like, my phone just cut off as usual. But yeah, it's not adding up, man. This is just so disgusting. I remember back when I used to work 9 to 5, and my oldest two was like super young, and it was the same dilemma all the time. It was a little easier then. Now it's just like, just God, it's just awful to try to figure this out around your kids' schedules. I already don't want to work a job anyway, but I just figured if I was going to try to do something, since I'm already driving, why not just stick with that? Because like I said, I don't want to go take on a whole nother course, something I know I don't want to do anyway, because my ultimate goal is to be a full-time fashion designer. That's what I really want to be doing. Running my boutique, having 2 different branches towards that, one where I design, one where I resell. Just, you know, a whole different look that has nothing to do with anything that I'm doing right now. So yeah, this just sucks. It's just ridiculous, but it's real, and I don't mind talking about the things that mothers face, or parents that are parenting alone face, because it's reality. It's very much the reality of a lot of people, and it's a very bad reality. Sometimes I just wonder, like, what would my life have looked like had I waited to find a great guy, or waited to be found by a great guy that wanted to be married first, and we got married, and then we got intimate, and then we had kids, you know, and was established and stuff before. Somebody that actually really wanted a family and wanted to be committed and wanted to be their hands on every single day. Like, sometimes I just wonder, what would life look like for me at this point? I don't really know, but I'm pretty sure I would be a lot further along. But nothing about my life is normal. Nothing about my life has ever really been normal. I've always just been different, the different one out the crew, the one with the most chaos, the one that's the most chill. Though I be chilling. I don't start nothing, but my life just always seems to end up with a whole bunch of chaotic things happening, which is so crazy, because I stay to myself. I don't bother people. I'm real chill, but I'm always having a chaotic situation going on. It's just crazy. It's crazy, but like I said, it's real. And We shall see. We shall see how this turns out. Well, guys, I'm about to go ahead and go in, but I do want to end this vlog off with a very special thank you to EF. If you're new to the vlog, I typically don't say names in the video when people send me any gifts, but thank you so much to EF who sent me $300 tonight for my breaks. I highly appreciate that. I just need $20 more at this point and I'm straight. And it's crazy because I just put 20 in my tank and then I happen to just look and see it there, but we can figure that out. Thank you so much, EF. It's a couple other people that sent me stuff, gifts a few days ago, like before the whole breaks craziness started. But LR, thank you so much. You have definitely been sent from God. LW, I think I figured out who you are. I thought you was somebody else at first, so I apologize for that because I kind of snapped on you. I thought you was somebody else, like kind of playing around on my channel. And I definitely appreciate the contribution that you sent. Who else was it? MK, girl, I didn't even know you was even still around these parts because you and I had, you know, kind of changed a few little words here and there way back. So I didn't even think you still watched my channel. But thank you. I definitely appreciate your gift. And I think it was one other person. Hold on, let me see. It was actually two other people. So CK, thank you for your contribution. And ML, thank you for your gift as well. I heavily appreciated you guys, and may it be returned to each and every one of you guys 100-fold. I really pray that is exactly what y'all get, even maybe plus some, because y'all don't be understanding how much, like, to be honest with you, I'm not a person that even likes to ask for help, contrary to what people might think. If I have it, I do it on my own. I enjoy taking care of me. So when I ask, it's because like desperation has hit, you know what I'm saying? And I really appreciate the people that have come through for me time and time again, wholeheartedly. So I thank you all from the bottom of my heart, and may y'all be blessed and receive the gifts back 100-fold plus some. All right, so I will see y'all in the next video. Mwah.